Okay, today we are going to review the Ninebot ES2 by Segway. It's the newest version of the previous Xiaomi M365 Mija. It's designed by a third party bought by Segway, who in turn has been bought, or at least the Ninebot versions, the kick scooters, by Xiaomi. So it's a decent quality, decent design. And let's just start with the drive. As you can see, it looks pretty decent. You can hold the back shield, press it up, then up, it kicks in. Has a nice little kickstand, so the scooter can stand up on its own. Kicks that in. How do we activate? We press shortly here. This is standard speed. If you press it again twice, then you get the red S, which means the sports mode. Then we can kick off. Feels pretty good. Has a front and a rear suspension. Does 25 kilometers an hour. This is the flat asphalt. You just hear the beep because of the cruise control. Accelerates pretty decent. We are headed up to a pavé stretch, small pavé. Feels nice, can just talk without many vibrations. And now we're headed up some rougher asphalt up to a bridge. Check out how the speed goes. Normally this one should climb degrees of up to 10% quite easily. Hear a small rattle. Go to 24, we'll start the climb. 22, 20. Almost there. $17. And we're almost at the top. $16. And we're increasing again, back at the top to 17, 18 kilometers an hour. We'll do that twice to see how the battery copes with this. Downhill. We're seeing the 28. And it's really stable still at this speed. You can feel the rougher asphalt on your feet, but it's still really comfortable. Okay, let's take a turn. Now we do the same thing, but we go uphill starting from 0. It immediately climbs to 15, 16 kilometers an hour. It doesn't feel like it's struggling though. It just goes smooth uphill. Going to 18 even. It's a scooter where you really have some comfort. Handles feel pretty smooth as well. Can enjoy the scenery. Now we're off to 25 and higher. Have a small jump here. Whoop. Using the cruise control. This scooter should have a range around 20 kilometers. We'll get back on that later. And we'll do some Belgian pavé, the worst pavé you can find. Still doing 25 on the flats. Go on the smooth asphalt again. It doesn't make a difference because it's electronically speed limited. Something I should add on the Segway, you also get a really nice app. Here we'll do a test of taking a jump. No problem whatsoever. You see the bigger jumps here? You felt the hit. So as on all the scooters, it's limited ride clearance. So if you go over a larger jump, you should help a little bit by jumping. All the small jumps, this one is really easy to tackle. Now we come up to the cobblestones, really rough. Taking a turn does ask for a little bit speed negotiation. As you can see, my voice is a little bit more agitated, but it handles it pretty well. Can do that one more time. Going straight. You can see it does have a pretty nasty rattle in the back, but it still manages to do 23, 24 kilometers an hour. Now I'm starting to shake a little bit. There's no trouble braking hard. Now you feel the rattle a little bit. Okay, let's negotiate another turn. Now we're on the pavé, you immediately notice a big difference. It's really easy to go over the pavé. Reaches its top speed without any problems. Now we'll do a brake test. If you watch the markings on the floor, we'll brake at 0 without a mechanical brake. There we go. And we're between the 14 and the 16 meters. Let's say 15 meters. We'll retry this test. With the foot brake, the emergency brake. Okay, one thing you will notice is that this one needs a pretty decent kick to start. You need to reach at least 3-4 kilometers an hour before it gets going, or the manual accelerator won't work. Okay, let's come in at top speed again. So cruise control on, and we'll use the foot brake as well. And then we're between 4 and 6, closer to the 6, so let's say 5.5 meters. For people You see, I need several kicks. For people that are beginning, it might be advised to just use the standard speed, which we will put it in. So the two times pressing shortly after each other. We're in the standard mode. We're back on the smooth asphalt. Here you can see it reaches 21 kilometers an hour. Do a little Belgian pavé. No problem whatsoever. Cruise control is activated. It's nice to have the little beep as a confirmation. Belgian pavé. I will do the braking again from 21 kilometers an hour. And here we are at 11 something meters. Okay, that was it for the Ninebot.